Welcome to Vegas. This is a room tour of the Circa Corner Suite King Room. Circa is located at one end of Fremont Street, and it's the newest property in Old Vegas. As you enter the room, you have a large bathroom, similar to the basic room, but there's a little bit more of a footprint for this bathroom in this room type. You have 2 mirrors, 2 sinks, a large walk-in shower with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, wood floors throughout the room. And as you enter the room, you have a full-length mirror, a bench where you can store one of your suitcases, a little bit of a larger living room area than the basic room, a sectional couch. The really cool thing about this room is you had views from 2 different directions. Plenty of seating, desk, and a mini fridge. Which, as you can see, we had already fully stocked. We have a TV not blocking any of the views, which is great. And a pretty comfortable king-size bed. You have a full control panel right next to the bed so you can dim the lights. Plenty of charging spaces. And an armoire to hang up your clothes. Also features an in-room safe. Overall, we enjoyed our stay at Circa. It was super close to punk rock bowling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you feel like it. See you at sunrise.